How to download and install the Binance app on your PC. Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of downloading and installing Binance on your Windows PC. Just stick with me, and by the end, you'll be ready to trade right from your desktop. All right, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whichever one you like. In the address bar at the top, type in Binance.com and hit Enter. This will take you to Binance's official homepage. Now, once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a little downward arrow icon. Hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down will appear. From there, click on More Download Options. Scroll down until you find the section that says Download Binance for Desktop. You should see a few different options depending on your operating system. Since we're working with Windows here, go ahead and click the Windows button. That will start downloading a file called binancesetup.exe. Give it a moment to finish downloading. Once it's done, head over to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default and look for the Binance Setup file. Double-click on it to begin the installation. A small window will pop up asking you to select your language. Pick the one you're most comfortable with and click OK. Next, you'll be asked where you want to install the app. You can change the location if you want, but leaving it at the default setting is totally fine. Now click Install. Let the installer do its thing. It should only take a minute or two. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a prompt that says Finish. Go ahead and click that. Congrats! The Binance desktop app is now installed on your computer. You should see the Binance icon on your desktop. Double-click it to open it up. Now just log in with your existing account. And if you're brand new to Binance, you'll see an option to create an account right there on the app. It's a super straightforward sign-up process. And that's how you can download and install the Binance app on your PC. You're now ready to start using Binance on your PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.